Hello everyone, welcome back to Odoom Business Consult. Today I'm going to show you how to use an external CSS styling sheet to style your HTML document. Okay, so I have this simple index.html. Let me open the folder for you to see. So I have this simple HTML document. I'm going to open it in the browser for us to see. Let me open it to open with Chrome. So I have this simple HTML document. I have this heading, then a paragraph. Okay, so in the text editor, let me open it for you to see. So let me go back to the folder. Let me open it with a Visual Studio Code. Okay, so open with code. So if I open it, you're going to see the source code. So this is the source code for this simple HTML. Okay, so we're going to have an external CSS, and we all know CSS is meant for styling our page. Okay, if this is the first time of you hearing something like this and you are interested in learning, visit our online school, which is lms.odoombusinessconsult.com. okay, register for free with your active email account. So I have this simple HTML doc. I'm going to use an external CSS styling sheet to make some small changes to this page. Okay, so let's see how we can do that. So in our text editor, I'm using Visual Studio Code. So I'll go to File, I go to New Text File, then I'm going to save it, Ctrl S. So I'm going to save it as star.css. Then the file extension, make sure you choose CSS. Okay, make sure, the save as type, you choose CSS. Then the file name should end with .css. Okay, so I'll choose the folder I want to save it. It should be in the same folder as your HTML document. So it's inside this folder. I'm going to click save. Okay, so it has been saved. Now let's come back to the HTML. Let's link this file to this one. Okay, so this is an external sheet. We're going to link it to this particular page. So inside the head, that's where we're going to link it. Okay, if you want to learn more how to do something like this, as I said earlier, I will visit our online school, which is lms.odoombusinessconsult. You'll be learning a whole lot of programming language, okay, for free. So inside the head, I'm going to write my tag, the link tag. Okay, so I'm going to have we're going to have ref, which stands for relationship. Then I'm going to have it like style sheet. It means there is a relationship between this current page and external sheet. Okay, so that's the meaning of this attribute. This it stands for relationship. Okay, it means there's a relationship between this current page, HTML page or document, to that of an external sheet. So you're going to have href, which stands for the destination of the file, where we are going to locate that file. So we're going to locate it, or the destination of the external styling sheet is star.css. okay, then make sure you use the tag. Make sure you bring this So this link or the link tag is going to have only these two attributes, okay, the relationship attribute and the href attribute. The href shows where we can locate the file, okay. So let's save it. Now let's come back to our css. Okay, so this way we're going to have our css, and this where the styling will be applied to. Okay, so let's come back to the css. So we're going to have the selector. Okay, in css the selector stands for the elements of the HTML that I want to style it. Okay, so here we're going to say we want the body, so we're going to have the body, okay, being the selector curly brackets. So the body, what you're going to have, so this is the selector, which is the body. Now we're going to have a css property name, which is going to be background. Okay, going to be background color. The background color is going to be, let's say, red, and see. So let's save it and let's come back to our page and refresh it. You see, it has changed. Okay, so if you refresh it, this is working. So we've linked an external CSS styling sheet to this particular document. Okay, if you want to learn more about programming language, how to write HTML, how to write CSS, the meaning of CSS and what goes into each of these programming language, visit our online school. The link is lms.odoom business consult.com. Okay, when you go there, you're going to learn a whole lot of programming language for free. What you need is your active email account and you're good to go. Okay, so this is how we can link an external styling sheet to our current HTML doc. Okay, if you have any question, you can leave it under the comment section, and make sure you subscribe to the page or the channel so that future updates you will not miss them. Thank you and see you soon.